been working in our textbooks and books, and we've been working on the circulatory system and the respiratory system. And using the Venn diagram, you've done different sections of illustrations, functions, and then Ralph takes a trip through that system, and then I have another extra question. So we're going to go ahead, present our information. I'm going to make you as comfortable as possible, and you're just going to tell me which section you want to read. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and do a quick review. Now, first of all, remember when we went and did that chart at the beginning, and it was on cellular respiration. We have animal cells. So what do animal cells need to bring in? It's part of the carbon cycle. Think about, what do animal cells need? Yes?
Like chloroplast?
Okay, that's plant cells. That's a good question. Okay, go ahead. Anything else? I'm sorry, I'm taping. I can't be dealt with it. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, so we breathe in what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So our cells need oxygen. Our cells need to get rid of what? Raise your hand.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Perfect. And so plants need to bring in. Plants need to bring in.
Carbon dioxide.
And then they give out.
Oxygen.
Great. So that is the carbon cycle. Now, what are the two systems that allows us to get the oxygen in and get rid of the carbon dioxide? What are the two systems? Bernard?
The circulatory system and the respiratory system.
And what would happen to you if you couldn't do that? If your cells couldn't get rid of all?
It would build. You would be constipated and be like dead.
You would probably get sick and you probably die. Okay, let's go ahead and table 1. Go ahead and let's see. Oh, this looks like a good one. Can you go ahead and read about Ralph's trip, please?
Heart starts at the heart and works his way through the arteries and veins and through his lungs and vessels. In his veins, there are tiny, what did I say?
Capillaries, vesicles.
Called capillaries,
Good.
which are a part of the circulatory system.
Okay, very good. And tell me, what are the 3 functions of the circulatory system?
Exhale carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Inhale carbon dioxide and circulation.
Good. All right. Now, let's see the next one. Can you tell me about the carbon exchange in the alveoli? Can you just kind of look at that and tell me what's going on? Or just tell me the parts of it.
Small and blood and oxygen from the lungs. And blood rich and gas from the body. This capillaries and arteries.
Okay. And then at that part, that's where the lungs will pick up the carbon dioxide, and you breathe it out. You exhale, and then and then you inhale the oxygen, and that happens in the alveoli. Don't forget alveoli. Okay, let's go ahead and let's do the circulatory system. This looks good. Can you tell me about your drawing and your labeling?
And with the blood vessels in the lungs, they have the veins from the lungs, the left atrium.
Atrium. Good.
Artery to the body, the vein from the body, the right atrium, and the artery to the lungs.
Perfect. And can you go ahead and tell me, let's see how while you did it. And, ooh, boy, you got kind of glued here. Okay, can you go ahead and tell me about the arteries, veins, and capillaries in section 4? Yes, please.
Arteries carry the blood from the heart, veins prevent the blood from flowing backwards. Capillaries raise materials and CO2.
Stay. Okay, now, I know we're going to go ahead and right now, as you notice, I want you to do the post-assessment. We already did the pre-assessment, so I want you to think about what people said. And on here is also a rubric for you to grade your partner's work, if you had a partner. So go ahead, take your time, do the post-assessment, and yes, I will write a note for you that is the reason why you're late for class. So go ahead and get started. It's only 10 questions. They're true and false. They should not take that long to do. You may leave.